Teachers and students to this gala morning of graduation day of year 2023. Myself Shruti, as the host of the today's event of this area, revealed that we will be going to have fun during this event. So everybody hold on your chairs and let's start with the celebration. Without saying much, firstly I would like to invite Dr. Dipali Gupta, founder and director, Urja School for Differently Able Children, Faridabad, to share the annual summary of activities, event, achievements of Urja School in the year 2023.
For the holistic development of our students. It can be physical, mental, emotional, social, communication, recreation, and many more. Let's brief out all the activities, events, or achievements of the school year 2023. Firstly, we did the community visit to cinema hall. All students watched 3D movies and had lot of fun. For few students and parents, it was very new experience. It helped in building self-confidence, helps in building interactions with each other and recreation as well. Then we went for an outing to a park for doing play activity. That was a fun park play day. It was also a fun experience for students and parents as well, because parents also joined in the park event. They enjoyed, and we did various musical games like parachute dance, circle time fun songs, group lunch, etc. All students got refreshed as it was different from the regular days and gained new experience with their peers and teachers. Then we celebrated Urja Foundation Day. We completed 14 years of our esteemed services in the year 2023. Then we celebrated World Environment Day on June 5, 2023 with the theme Beat the Plastic Pollution. Students showed and explained the theme with an action song. Students spoke few words on how to beat plastic pollution. It helped our students to learn the concept of environment protection and as well as their health. We celebrated Father's Day and Mother's Day also to give special thanks to parents who had given lot of hard work and dedication in raising their children. During Father's Day, students performed group dance on the song Mere Papa to show their love to their dads. On Mother's Day, students made greetings for their mothers and gifted a wafer on which they have wrote I love mom with melted chocolate. That was a very new activity as we don't have baking unit right now in our school. But our students did this activity on that day. That was the fun activity and new activity which all students love to do. Then we did International Yoga Day on June 21, 2023. Students performed various yoga asanas. It taught students to embrace the numerous physical and mental benefits of yoga, to improve flexibility and strength, to enhance focus and emotional well-being. We celebrated Graduation Day also to finish up the school year of 2022 and get into the new year. Then we organized a very fun event, that is fancy dress competition in the month of July 2023. It was based on the theme Community Helpers. It helped our students to learn the concept of how people, different community helpers help us in giving their services. Students were beautifully dressed up in the outfits of doctor, teacher, delivery boy, postman, and so on. We had given prizes to top 3 contestants who carried and presented themselves beautifully. This led to develop self-confidence, competitive spirit, and social functioning. We celebrated Friendship Day, where students made simple friendship bands to share their love for each other. Then one very beautiful moment which is very precious for me, that is I celebrated my daughter's birthday with students and teachers in the month of August 2023. She turned 1 at that time. We organized Independence Day. Students did a lot of singing, dancing on patriotic songs, few given speech also. So it helped them in knowing and showing their love for their country. In the month of October, we organized Diwali Mela at Urja School, in which we have arranged stall for showcasing and selling products made by our students in their vocational class and under our vocational project Kriti. We have showcased embossed paintings, tea coasters, diya, candles, planters, bookmarks, keychains, jewelries, and many more other products. We went to USO Delhi and Grand Vista Society in Sector 21C for selling and showcasing our products. We organized stall in USO Delhi for 2 days, and in Sector 21C also we have arranged. Many residents and people visited and saw our products and purchased and applauded as well our students' work. For acknowledging our students' work, I gave them stipends of ₹1,000 to each student who were working under our vocational class. This was never done before and not done in other organizations and institutions. We did Christmas celebration. Students showed the stage story of birth of Jesus in the form of play and dance. They sang Christmas carol as well. So that was also a very fun event. We celebrated Republic Day in the month of January 2023, during which various dance performances were shown by the students, and students presented patriotic poem, spoke few words on Republic Day. So and the last event was Joyful Holi, that was recently celebrated in the school in the month of March 2024. And we won the E-Dance Festival, the first prize in high support category organized by USO. That was a great achievement for our school students. After that, I arranged a talk for parents in collaboration with Dr. Garima Gupta, psychologist from Psychotherapist, for the well-being of parents of children with special needs. And we will be doing such events
By
this
our
year also.
pre-vocational and vocational class students. It's a surprise for all of us. Let's unlock the surprise by watching the performance. Let's take this event forward by one more dance performance to be presented by KG class students. Please welcome Ketan, Arav, Shreyan, Hardik and
I don't
Atik.
ever slow up,
Please
no, I
welcome.
don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical.
something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, want a kingdom with a taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't